just wanted to take a couple minutes to help show students how they can use Khan Academy interactively. So to start, we're going to go to www.KhanAcademy.org and we'll be taken to a page that looks like this. First, we're going to need to create an account. So for students, their parents have to enter the information first. So if you click here, have your parent enter this information, they're going to get an email that confirms their account, and then they'll be able to enter their student information. Once the student's profile is set up, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. It houses all the students' progress. So it has their statistics here, their badge counts, what they've been up to, and all that. On the left-hand side here, we have accomplishments. So if we click on badges, this just shows all the badges that we can earn. So the meteorite badges are easy to earn when just getting started. So usually students work toward these at first. Then once they put in more time and more work, they'll get the moon badges, and there's all these different kinds. And then more work gets in the earth badges here, says require a significant amount of learning, sun badges, black hole badges, and challenge patches. Then if we go to progress here on the left, it'll show everything that the student's been working on. So the student can keep track of what they've been doing. If they have a teacher who can see their account, they can look at everything the student's been doing. It shows attempts and when they did it, and all these different topics here. And then if you click on the dashboard, this will keep track of everything you're working on and everything that you've been doing. So for students just starting out, they're going to have to do this math pretest. So if you click on math pretest, it'll bring us to a page that looks like this. It's called Math Pretest. Don't worry if you don't know some of the answers. And so they just goes through it, wants you to answer 8 questions here, and they just want to get a feel for where your math understanding is, and then they're going to recommend different programs that you can work on. So it says here, if you don't know the answer, just click I haven't learned this yet, and it's just going to give them a gauge of what you know and what you don't know yet. So they just want you to go through and answer. They're going to show you 8 questions. You just type in whatever answer you think, or if you don't know, you can select I haven't learned this yet. So once you answer all the pretest questions, this screen will pop up here, and it'll show you what your pretest results are. So I practiced level 1, level 2, and these are what I mastered. And then it says based on my assessment, they have some skills that I should be working on. So then I hit close task summary. Then here, on this little scale, these little blue boxes, they show everything that I've completed so far. And then here, they recommend topics that I should start practicing on. So they think that I need to work on addition and subtraction and word problems. They think I need to work on multiplication, division, word problems, which is great. So I would click on this, and then it's going to give me problems to practice on. I can check my answer if I think I know what it is. They can give me a hint if I have no idea how to solve the problem, or I can watch a video here. So all of these are just going to be really helpful for students. So like I said, they have all these different topics that they want me to practice, but if I'm in class and I know I'm struggling with graphing linear equations, I can see if they have that. I can type in graphing. Here we go, graphing linear equations. So I can click on that, and then I add it to my list of what's up next for me, and now I can practice this. So here's more problems that are going to help me learn how to graph. So like I said before, there's like a hint and step watch video. So all of those things, and then we can keep track of our progress on this page, and all the work we do is going to help us earn these badges. So I think once that is all set up, once a student has lined up what they should be working on, they're good to go. They just need to spend time working on these problems.